What is Meta? Why Facebook changes its name to Meta? How we can use this metaverse technology to enhance our business. Hello, my name is Akshan. I welcome you all to Technically Practical. Here we will be simplifying technologies in such a way that we can use this technology to solve our practical and business related problems. So what exactly is this meta and how this metaverse word gets so popular? Meta is a Greek word meaning above or beyond, and verse is taken from universe. So it collectively means beyond the actual universe that we inhabited. In simple words, meta technology is virtual reality technology, and metaverse is a whole different universe created with use of this virtual reality. Metaverse word was first coined by Neil Stephenson in his 1992 novel Snow Crash, where humans use programmable avatars for interaction with each other. And then after 11 years, in 2003, Philip Rosedale and his team unveils world's first online virtual reality in Linden Labs. And then this journey of creating better metaverse gets started. So why Mark Zuckerberg-led social media company Facebook changes its name to Meta? As we all know, Facebook core vision is connecting people, and as we can see in growth in technologies like speed and availability of internet, augmented reality, virtual reality, cryptocurrency, on which we discussed in previous video, this is a perfect combination for Facebook to make its next big move in its core vision of connecting people. Metaverse will step up the way users connect and express. It will add the most important assets of feel to the internet. So to take advantages of this technological growth and clearly communicate next level of its core vision, Facebook changes its name to Meta and start building prominent as well as business supportive metaverse version. Facebook plans to invest $10 billion, nearly 76,500 rupees in its metaverse technology division, Facebook Reality Labs, focus on creating AR and VR hardware, software and content. Company wrote in its third quarter earning release that they are committed to bringing this long-term vision to life, and they expected to increase the investment for next several years. Nowadays, metaverse is roughly seen as a world that will disconnect people from real world, but in actual it will enable user to extend their experience beyond two dimensions. But to utilize this completely, we need to connect metaverse to real world. So how can we connect metaverse to real world? Let's start with gamers. For gamers, metaverse will be paradise. It will extend gaming experience and will give feel of being inside of the game like we seen on movie Jumanji. As we seen till now, due to high growth in internet and graphic technology, gaming companies are enhancing themselves towards real world experiences with high quality real life graphics and connecting players to internet. But these all are restricted towards two-dimensional boundaries. Metaverse solves exactly this by providing multi-dimensional canvas for gaming companies so that they can create real-world experiences for gamers. For businesses, Metaverse can work as a great marketing tool. It will help them to connect and communicate with user in much better way by letting user experience their product. Marketing can be done in both the ways, such as adding billboards in Metaverse world, or it can be more creative and interactive as guerrilla marketing. The only limitations will be a creativity. Marketing in Metaverse will be more cost effective than real world marketing. Current limitation with online businesses is that user cannot determine exact size and fitting of the product, so they need some kind of offline feel or experience to it. Metaverse solves this by showing exact size and dimensions of the product in Metaverse world. It will be a lot helpful in cases like buying heavy furniture and electronic accessories online. In this scenario, user can get exact virtual copy of its home and then place the product and check for the sizes and fitting without the actual need of placing it in real world. Companies like IKEA and Urban Ladder can use such techniques with help of Metaverse for ease for their customers. At time of buying clothes or jewelry online, Metaverse can help effectively by allowing users to try out various items on user's own avatar to get the experience and then buy suitable. Travel companies like Trek Community and Yatra can create virtual experience of the travel and destination so that user can first experience it virtually and then will plan accordingly. Like such a ways, businesses can allow their users to first experience their product with help of Metaverse. It will potentially reduce the refunds by gaining users' trust before actual purchase. Metaverse can take creators' economy much further. Artists can create NFTs, that is digital version of their art, and sell directly in Metaverse, or sell tickets for their art exhibitions or even live Metaverse concerts. Influencers can promote their stuff with virtual experiences instead of just giving plain referral links. For example, lifestyle vlogger can create virtual wardrobes in Metaverse where user can try on those on their avatars, get the virtual experiences, and then will buy accordingly. Metaverse will help creators to connect with their audience more interactively. This will provide great possibilities for growth in creators' economy. So which are the businesses that are currently on Metaverse? Nike has its micro metaverse Nike Land with Roblox platform where users can check out Nike's virtual goods and can even play games like dodgeball while wearing them on. Nike has also started its own Nike Virtual Studios with acquisition of RTFKT Studios and launched its Nike branded NFTs. Supermarket giant Walmart is also preparing to enter into Metaverse for enhancing shopping experience of user and also planning to launch its own NFTs and virtual currency. Disney is also looking to enter into Metaverse, saying Metaverse will be next great storytelling frontier with interactive experiences for users. Hyundai Motor launched Hyundai Mobility Adventure with Roblox, featuring its popular vehicles and future mobility solutions with aim to attract young audience towards Hyundai. Although Metaverse is in its early stage, many businesses have started utilizing it. Some for marketing and showcasing their product like Nike Hyundai, some for enhancing user experience like Walmart, and some even sees it as a great canvas for storytelling like Disney. So now as we get the rough idea of endless growth possibilities with Metaverse, I hope you all can get maximum benefits from it to practically grow and solve our business problems. On this note, I am Akshay signing off. Be curious, be creative. We are on the mission of practical simplification of technologies so that we all can get utmost benefits from it to enhance our business and find solution to our problems. So to support us on YouTube, subscribe to channel, like or dislike, let us know how we are going to use Metaverse in the comment section, and most importantly, share it with the ones who you think can use this practically.